I'm going to be showing you how to create a logo using AI. So this is a website called Logo AI. So I'm logged in right now. The link is in the description below if you guys want to follow along, check this website out. Let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I'm logged in, and you can see that, we have a brief description here that says, let AI powered logo maker generate a new logo, create matching stationery, design brands you love. So it does a lot of things. You can see here, there are some examples here that you can see on the bottom here of people that have created logos on here. Okay, pretty cool here. So let's just go ahead and get started. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit let's make a logo. Hit that and give it a second here. Go ahead and hit start. All right, so first thing you need is gonna be the brand name. So I'm gonna go ahead and just type this in, Tech with Nash. Okay, something like that. And if you have a slogan here, you can add that on here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue because I do not have a slogan. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. Now you can see that you have to select an industry here. This is gonna help this AI narrow down the things that are helpful to you, things that are gonna be more fitting to your logo. Let's say that we are in the technology industry. I'm gonna click on that. All right, so then the next part is going to be selecting your color schemes that are going to match your brand. So I'm going to go with the grayscale here, like something that's really simple. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. All right, so next thing is going to be you have to select font styles that you actually like. Now, I like the modern font here by just looking at this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and select modern here. Go ahead and hit generate. Let's give it a second here to see the options that it comes up with. As you can see, these are really great options here. Let's see what else it comes up. There's a lot and lots and lots of option here. Let's see what looks good here. It keeps generating. All right, you can actually have the option to see more logos here. Let's go all the way up to the top. We have let's see which one looks nice here, guys. Let's see. We are gonna go with let me go ahead and hit more so that we can see what else we have here. So you can see more and more options popping up here. I think I like this one right here actually, or this one here, one of these two here. Let's go with this one here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit preview so I can see how it looks. All right, this looks really great. I'm gonna go ahead and hit next here, and you can kind of like see this in different light here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit next. You can see this on the website. This is how it would look on the website. Let's see here. You can see this is how it would look on the shirt. So you're getting kind of like a preview of how it's gonna look on a lot of things here on the stationery. Okay, on the building here, really amazing here. Look at that, beautiful. Right, this feature is really amazing. You can see how your logo is gonna look. All right, so once you finish previewing, one of the things you can do is you can actually edit the logo itself. Right now, you are gonna be able to edit. Let's go back here. There's some instructions here that you can follow. Now you can look at the different symbols here, right? So if you don't like this one, there is going to be some suggestions over here. So if I wanted to use this, you can see that this has been applied. If I wanted to use this, this has also been applied. Okay, now you also have something like this. Okay, something like this. I think this one looks really nice, and you can actually select the symbol itself and see that you can change the colors right on the top here. And if you go back to the left side, you're gonna see that you have the different symbols that you can pick from here. Actually, you can change from these menu options: abstract, geometric, letter A. Cool things here. It really narrows it down when it comes to how you can pick your symbols. You can actually search a symbol here. So if you search something like arrows, so let's go ahead and hit search. So you can see you are gonna have those options here. You can go to letters. You can search letters. Hit S. You're gonna generate this. This is where the AI comes into play. All right, give it a second. You can see you're gonna have different options. You can actually merge as well, right? You can also look at the container where your logo is gonna be contained. Okay, so that's just how you can edit this the little image here. Now you also have your text here. Just like the logo, you have your properties here where you can actually change the text, you can change the font, you can change the spacing, all that good stuff when it comes to editing text here. You can split this out. There's so many options here, guys. Let me go ahead and go back to the default settings here. Now you can click on the symbols here if you want to go back. This is how you are going to be able to go back to pick the symbols that you like. Now you also have the layout here. You can change how the layout is set up. As you can see, these are side by side. You can change these to different layouts here. As you can see, there are some pretty creative layouts that you can use. We also have fonts. If you want to change the fonts so that if you have text, just if I hit this here, you can see that this is actually a lot better than what I just had. Now you can also change the colors here. Really awesome. As you can see, you can change the background, you can change the text itself. These are all really cool combinations of changing my icon here as well as the text itself. Now, once I'm done, I'll go ahead and save this, and that's it. That is how you are going to be able to create amazing logos using Logo AI. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Now, the link is going to be in the description below if you want to check this out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.